Today's topic is class 10 geography chapter first resources and development question answer. Let's start. Question first, multiple choice question. First, which one of the following type of resources iron are? A. Renewable. B. Biotic. C. Flow. D. Non-renewable. Answer is D. Non-renewable. Second, under which of the following type of resource tidal energy cannot be put? A. Replenishable. B. Human made. C. Abiotic. D. Non-recyclable. Third, which one of the following is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? A. Intensive cultivation. B. Deforestation. C. Over-irrigation. D. Overgrazing. Fourth, in which one of the following states is terrace cultivation practice? A. Punjab. B. Plains of Uttar Pradesh. C. Haryana. D. Uttarakhand. Answer is D. Uttarakhand. Fifth, in which of the following state black soil found? A. Jammu and Kashmir. B. Maharashtra. C. Rajasthan. D. Jharkhand. Answer is B. Maharashtra. Question 2. Answer the following question in about 30 words. First, name 3 states having black soil and a crop which is mainly grown in it. Answer, state Maharashtra. Second, Madhya Pradesh. Third, Gujarat, crop cotton. Second, what type of soil is found in the river deltas of the eastern coast? Give 3 main features of these type of soil. Answer, alluvial soil is found in the river deltas of the eastern coast. Features, first, it is a transported soil. Second, it is a very fertile. Third, the soil contains adequate proportions of potash, phosphoric acid and lime. Third, what steps can be taken to control soil erosion in the hilly areas? Answer, the following steps should be taken to control soil erosion in the hilly areas. First, in hilly areas, land should be cultivated by terrace farming. Second, dense plantation should be done on slopes. Third, the contour plogging should be done on slope land. Fourth, what are the biotic and abiotic resources? Give some examples और डिफरेंट बिटवीन अबायोटिक एंड बायोटिक रिसोर्स. बच्चों अपने फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में अपने पास 2 क्वेश्चन हैं, मैं आपको दोनों के आंसर बता देती हूँ. आंसर फर्स्ट, बच्चों ये वाला जो आंसर है ये फर्स्ट का अपना आंसर है. ऑल बायोटिक रिसोर्स आर ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द बायोस्फीयर एंड हैव लाइफ. एग्जाम्पल फॉरेस्ट, लाइफ स्टॉक, ह्यूमन बींग्स एक्सेट्रा. All abiotic resources are composed of non-living things. Example, rocks, water, etc. Second, biotic resources can be classified as producers, consumers, and decomposers. Abiotic resources can be classified as renewable and non-renewable. Question third, answer the following questions in about 120 words. First, explain land use pattern in India and why has the land under forest not increased much since 1960 and 61. Answer, land use pattern in India. The use of land is determined both by physical factors such as topography, climate, soil types, as well as human factors such as population density, technological capability, and culture and traditions, etc. The facts of land pattern in India as per data for the year 2014-15 are as follow. First, land pattern in India is not balanced. Second, there is 23.3% regions are available under forest. Third, the land under permanent pasture is also low, 3.3%. Fourth, maximum use of land is 45.5% under the north sound area and the minimum use is 1% under the diverse tree crops and forest. Major reasons for not increasing the land under forest since 1960 and 61. In 2014-15, only 5.19% forest has been increased in comparisons to 1960-61. Rapid population growth is the main reasons for not increasing the land under forest in India. Forests are being cut for the economic profit. Trees have been cut for the development of different industries, agriculture, work and habitat. That's why forests have not been increased much since 1960-61. Question second, how have technical and economic development lead to more consumptions of resources? Answer first, technological development has converted the subsistence agriculture to commercial agriculture and this has led to the over utilization of soil. Second, technological development has led to industrializations which has increased the use of natural resources. Third, economic development has led to urbanizations and modernizations which demands more resources. Fourth, technological development has also improved the process of mining. Thank you students. If you like my video, please like and share my video.